Hi, good morning. My name is Rafael Kamyar. I'm the Business Development Manager in TUBBO, and I want to show you how you can start earning €9,000 of monthly revenue on your terrace this winter season. So basically, now with the tough times we're living in, we're creating quite a lot of leasing programs and financial solutions. And I want to show you a bit of what our clients are doing right now to finance their TUBBO. So here we can see that we have a TUBBO of 14 meters with a type of application as a restaurant. So we can use a restaurant here, or we can use a champagne bar, a lounge bar, even for events. But as you can see, every part in green is modifiable by the customer. So here we can see the average ticket. Maybe you're a high-end restaurant, so maybe we can say, okay, take it up to €40 with a average days open per month 24, seatings per day 2, and occupancy of 70%. I'm saying 70% because when you do put a TUBBO, you attract a lot of new clientele, a very vibrant young clientele, guests, locals, tourists. They're going to be looking for this sort of new experience where we can offer with the TUBBO during the different seasons, right? So with a TUBBO of these dimensions, we can have 40 covers with different sorts of configurations, and the important part we can see is this. So basically, investment of this would be €50,000, but of course, with the sort of climate we're having right now, we're having big issues with the spring seasons, especially now in the summer seasons or whatsoever. We know that most locations, especially in the hospitality, we're having a lot of trouble. So we can take this down to leasing programs of up to 4 years. So here, as we can see, we're doing a month's financing of 36 months with an interest rate of 5%, meaning that the hotel would only have to pay €1,500 per month, and they would actually be getting a return on investment of €9,000 per month. So that means you don't have to do a large down payment. You don't have to do a large investment. You can start getting your TUBBO with a very flexible solution and start earning revenue since the day you get it. Thank you very much.